Hello, Brief Calculus students. I got asked about this question from your homework. Chapter 2 review. How long will it take a $500 investment to be worth $700 if continuously compounded at 10% per year? Well, the formula we're looking for is the amount equals principal times e to the RT, because this is what we do when we compound continuously. Now, the easy way to do this on the calculator is to have two equations and see where they intersect. So let me go ahead and put two equations in here. So the first one needs to be 700 because that's what it needs to equal. The second one is going to be the PERT equation. This one right here, P-E-R-T. I love that. So I say 500, that's principal, and then E is right here above ln. So second to get to E, and then R is the rate, and I think that was, what, 10%? 0.1, and then we don't know what X is. That's what we're trying to find. Close parenthesis. Now I'm looking up to 700 for my Y max. So when I go over 750, that's 7 years. Let me just see if it's close. So there's the 700, and here's the 500, yes. So it's on here. So second calc, looking here at 5 is the intersect. 700 is the one side. And there's my second equation, and is that my guess? Yeah. Okay, worth how long? Give the answer to two decimal places, so 3.36. 3.36 years. I'm going to do another equation, try again. I'll show you the other way to do that. Okay, now we're looking at $700 investment worth $1,000 if continuously compound 11% per year. Okay, so I put this in right here is the formula. So this is what we want it to be. Oops, I've got one too many zeros. And we want to see that's 0.11, that's 11% times t. So in order to get to the t, we have to divide both sides by 700. So 700. I think I'm going to go to 1.429. I'll just do one more decimal than we need. So I'll get, insert another equation, 1.429 equal to, I have to make it an exponent, e raised to the 0.11 t. Now in order to get e by itself, we get another equation. So insert an equation, and it's called taking, what happens if you have the natural log of something? 1.429. And how do I know natural log? Well, right here, e was right here connected with natural log. They're kind of inverses of each other. It's going to equal the natural log of, I need to put exponents, okay, superscript, okay, e 0.11 t, move down, close the parenthesis. Because when I take the natural log of e, it's just going to be 0.11 t. So let's see what the calculator is. So what is the natural log? And I'm just going to feed in the answer, which is this question, or this little yellow, okay, word right there, answer. I always close the parenthesis. 0.357. Okay. insert an equation. 0.357 equals 0.11t. Because that's what happens with natural logs. So we just need to divide the left side by 0.11 and we'll get t. Insert equation. Insert equation. T equals, oh, what is it? Divide by 0.11. 3.24. 3.24. Alright, let's check it in the answers. There you go. 3.24. Alright, you can decide which method you like better. I know which one I like. Good luck.